Alright, this is the unboxing of the Pelsee P12 Pro Max dash cam. This is a hardwire kit which I ordered separately because I'm gonna hardwire my camera to the car because I don't have an OBD2 plug nor a cigarette lighter plug. So that's the camera. Right off the bat is the camera itself, or the mirror itself. Nicely packaged, everything is nice and tight. You can see. We'll take this off once we get it installed. It's 12 inches in length. It's pretty nice. And then this is the back where you just put it in the back of your mirror and then you strap it around. Okay, this is the OBD2 plug. So this will be the easiest way to do it. If you have an OBD2 plug on your car, you basically just plug the top and then plug the OBD2, and you'll have constant as well as the ignition wire on this, and you don't have to do any additional wiring. We won't be using that. You have a rear view camera. So I'm still trying to debate if I want to put this inside the car or outside the car. You got some screws and some adhesive tape. You got your GPS sensor. You have your cigarette lighter plug. These are your straps for the back. Some more adhesive, plastic tool to tuck your wires, warranty information, installation steps, microfiber, your user manual, and a 128 gigabyte memory card. That's all in the box. All right, let's get this in the car. All right, super easy to do. Okay, and then you'll just have to route your wires all the way to the back. That's probably the part that's gonna take long. And then you have your GPS sensor. You can put it on your dash or on your window. All right, I'm just gonna time lapse the rest because this part is boring. All right, this red wire is gonna go to your reverse light or reverse switch. All right, I got everything wired in. Got the power, the GPS, as well as the rear view camera. Sorry, I got the power, rear view camera, GPS all plugged in. It's going up to here. That's the GPS, and then the wire goes forward that way behind the panels all the way to the back, and then I'll show you the rear view. Okay, it goes behind the panels down this way all the way out here. That's where I'll have the camera. That's how you wire it up. Oh, and the power wire goes from up there to there, down there, into the panel down there, and it's hardwire with a constant, the 12 volt, and the ground. So it's pretty cool because it's not going to drain your battery. It's a smart system, so anytime it detects voltage that are under 11.8, I believe, it'll shut it off so it doesn't drain your battery. So it turns on, it looks normal.
Recording started.
It'll tell you it's recording, and then your screen comes on. Oh, I'm in reverse, so turn that out of reverse. So I'll go back to your whatever screen you set it up in. You can switch it between front. You can switch it between front and rear, or you can switch it both sides depending on your preference. Or you can just put it in the rear view. There's a lot of settings you can mess with.
Recording stopped.
So you got smart driving, which is your ADAS. You got your blind spot detection. You got your whatever LCA is. And then you can check out your files. I don't have anything yet because I just barely started. You can change the camera settings. Video resolution, 4K in the front, 2.5 in the back. Your video length, depending on if you want to do 1 minute to 3 minutes. You got your frequency, I don't know what that is. G sensor, your sensitivity. You can turn it off if it's going off all the time. I might need to turn it off because this car is pretty rowdy. It might keep setting it off, but we'll see how that goes once I start driving. And focus. Okay, you got your park monitor. You can check adjust the sensitivity to low, to high, or off. Time lapse, you want to do 1 frame per second or all the way to 5 frames per second. Audio recording, you can turn it on or off. Timestamp, if you want the timestamp on your videos. The rear view option. You can do system settings. You got rear view default, volume settings. There's so much options on here. They're all pretty easy to adjust, so check it out once you get one. You can connect to your Wi-Fi so you can download all your videos. But this thing is pretty dope. Go back to dash cam. That's the rear. Again, that's the front. Oh, you can take photos if you want. So if you're driving and you see something cool, just hit the photo and it'll take a photo of it. So pretty cool. Oh, it displays how fast you're going, the time and the date, and your direction. Do you need a dash cam? No. Should you get one? Hell yes. In today's world, you gotta protect yourself. You got insurance scammers, hit and run drivers, or simply you just wanna capture some cool shit. So I would definitely recommend picking one up. Have a link down in the description where you can get one. Full transparency, I do make a small commission if you buy from the link that I sent on the description. But my thoughts about the camera is pure, non-biased. I do believe that it's one of the best out there. I like the 12-inch screen. You can see a lot more than your normal screen. The quality is pretty good. The video is clear. I can see license plates. It captures the sound of my car. My car is very loud, and from the previous cameras that I've had it in the past, it would just distort. But this one, at least you can hear the engine. It does have a little bit of distortion, but for the most part, it's pretty clear. It is pretty easy to install. It comes with everything you need, including the memory card. The only thing you would need to buy is if you don't have a cigarette lighter or an OBD2 plug on your car, then you would have to buy the hardwired kit. That does not come in the original box. Some of the cool features are the ADAS, which is the Advanced Driver's Assistance. Basically, it'll notify you if there's anything that's in your way, or collision, or blind spot, things like that. The app is super easy to use. You can easily pull videos from the camera to your phone via Wi-Fi. The playback is awesome. It has a map, and it shows you how fast you're traveling, your speed, location. It has all the information you need if you ever need to present evidence. Oh, and I don't know if I mentioned this before, but it is a 4K front camera and a 2.5K rear view camera. And one of the only cons that I have with this camera setup is the screen. The 12-inch screen can get glary from time to time. Other than that, everything else is pretty awesome. Let me know what you think of the dash cam. This dash cam could be the dash cam for you. If you're definitely going to get one, please, if you can, do buy it from the link below, as it will help me out and my channel. And I can use the funds to do more cool stuff and show you more cool videos and see how well this camera works. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. As always, this is your boy Rich, and I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy.